Welcome to you. How are you?
Yes, sir. Hi.
Okay, welcome back to you. And today we go for one step more in the last session. Last session, we just make a plan how to network within a campus, make a provision of Wi-Fi, make a provision of internet, and what use of the LAN cable. Hopefully, you are able to understand and also make last session demonstration in your PC. Are you done? Yes or no?
I've done it, sir. I've done it.
Okay. So in the last session, just like on our screen, so in the last session, we just connected various types of cable, LAN cable, and crossover, console, and straight cable. So already done. Now in the today's session, we just go for the allotment of the IP. So now session is known as allotment of the IP. Allotment of IP. Okay. So first we, because in this simulator, we not go for anything purchasing, just our imaging and put here and go for the work. Okay. So in this session, here I have first one important is customer is router, one port is known as one LAN. What is the meaning of the LAN? Customer edge router, one port, it is known as one LAN. If this LAN cable is 90 meter and but today available a lot of media converter. So just here one use media converter. What is the media converter? It can easily convert electrical cable to optical cable and optical cable to electrical cable. Okay. So this media converter able to convert in optical fiber cable and depend on the efficiency of the media converter, movement of the length of the optical fiber. Today, we have most popular media converter that move up to 100 kilometer. So suppose this cable move to up to 100 kilometer and another media converter and again use of the switch and we connect the computer. Okay. So if move from this computer to this media converter and move here and just reaches on the same router port. So doesn't matter at local level directly connect to this port, either remotely directly help of the media converter, long distance communication, yeah, long distance connection, both are known as the same LAN. So in the LAN local area network, today definition, practical definition, router, customer is router, one port is known as the one LAN. Distance is not matter. Earlier definition ki within a campus, within a 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer is applicable. But today depend on the media converter, depend on the networking. Okay. Now, in as per this scenario, this is the one LAN, LAN number one. You can say this is the network one. This is the another port. This is the network two. And this is another port. This is network three. But this directly connect to the this cable. So both are the common. This is the network number three. So there are three LAN is available. Yeah. Okay, sorry for interruption. Now here just discussing about router one port. This is the just indicate single LAN. A single LAN is the network one. This is the network two, and this is the you can say network number three. If cable is break here, so this is separate network and this is the separate network. But jointly they connect to each other. That means the single network. Okay. So you have total LAN, yeah, you can say total number of network is the three. Definitely, what is the network ID as per your, so here we just imagine this network one and ID of this network is the, we can, as per your wish, you totally depend on because here learning. But in reality, We go to the ISP. ISP give the some IP address, yeah, network ID. Accordingly, we can manage the network local level. But here simulator, we not go to any ISP. Just here our mind, we just imagine ki network one ID 192.168.1.0/24. Same for the network 2. We imagine ID is 192.168.2.0. It must be ensure no network ID is the similar. Every network is separate ID. Okay, this is 24. And third network, you can say network number 3, and IP address is the 192.168.3.0/24. Okay, so accordingly, if you have the network ID, in this case, IP range, already you are aware about this. So IP range is the 192.168.1.1 to 254. Okay. So same 2.1 to 254, 3.1 to 254. So same all are the, because /24 is the similar in everyone. So no doubt key number of IP is the same. Now IP address allotment. So this is the port. Where is IP allotment? This is the port. Here you can give the IP allotment, and this is the IP allotment. Always give the IP allotment of the port level. Okay. In computer, if anybody asking to you in computer, either your mobile phone, where is IP allotted? So very easy answer key, as the port of the Wi-Fi port or LAN port, this is the IP allotment location. Okay. So now, just in the session, we discuss how to allotment of IP of this port. So first planning. Here the port number is the here FA0/1. This is the port number 1, and you can make planning. And this is the part of the network 1. So no doubt IP address 192.168.1.1. You have IP pool from 1 to 254. Totally depend on you which IP you can choose. Nobody uh, bound to you, particular this IP will be choose. It totally depend on the manager of this area, network manager. So if you are network manager of, yeah, in charge of this area, completely in your hand, key from 1 to 254, you can choose any IP address. So now here I just for IP address for this port, select one by one. Same for the IP address for PC0, we can select 192.168. Just be making planning here. And here is the 1.2 already given. Sorry, 1 already given. Here give 2. And for the laptop, you can select, this is laptop 192.168.1.3 for the laptop. So as per your choice, you can select IP address. Okay. Now allotment of IP in the in this router. Same here F00. So we also put here IP allotment is the FA0/0 192.168, because here 3.0 network. This is a 3.0 network. That means 3.1. You can put here. 3.1 is given. So this side again F0/0, another router. What is the IP address of this port? You can make 192.168.3.2, 3.2, 3, 4 as per this. And this is the router port FA0/1. But network ID of this network 2 is the 2.0. So accordingly, you can manage IP address 2.1/24. And same for the PC2. This is also, click here, 192.168.2.2/24. We just make planning of IP address in some computer and mandatory part of the your network. Mandatory part, this is the router part, is the mandatory part. Switch is not given IP. Switch when IP given, your router Wi-Fi is not given IP. Okay. This is just only like interconnection devices. Okay. They not act any other activity. Only here for what? Only for connection, help of the switch, we computer connect to the router. We help of the Wi-Fi, we connect the laptop to the router. The main motto, every device go to the customer edge router. Then it is the possible we communicate across the world, otherwise not possible. Okay. So now this case, just we move my mouse here. So you can see here in the router, path 0 by 0, Ethernet is the not IP set, link is down, IP is not set. But already we planning here. So now how to this IP when go move my mouse to show inside the this screen. So here just in the real, we take a laptop, connect to the console cable and click here, and in computer go to the desktop, and there is the terminal option is available, and click on the terminal. On your screen some data information is showing this. This is automatically your laptop sense and fill up. You don't fill up it, automatically sense and fill up. Okay, and okay. So just open this router. This router open, just click like this. In the real world, one software is available. This is known as the PuTTY software. A PuTTY, and second is the Telnet. But this PC is the here Apple PC, because Cisco follow the Apple company. Okay. But other in India, we have all types of computer follow up, either Apple or Linux or Windows computer. So definitely in India is some different facilities also required. So help of the PuTTY, software name is the PuTTY and Telnet. So we can manage this types of networking. Okay. So now from the laptop, just click, go to terminal and just automatically detect and this open. Okay. In reality is what? But here is the simulator. I just open first again and put aside. But this is the real in the simulator. We don't go to the laptop, just saving time up. Just click directly here, router. In the simulator, this is easy, but reality, definitely we go laptop connect to the console cable to the router. And here go to the CLI. And now here, this is the directly click on the router, open this window, and this is real by the laptop. Okay. If you put any location, they are the same. Either put here, is same. So in simulator, not need to the laptop need. Laptop for information to you, in reality, laptop required. So now just I clicked on this computer, and here on a screen, there are three types of information available: router and greater than symbol. Another option is the router privilege, just like, and third one is the router in the bracket config and hyphen if. So there are three option is available. First option is known as privilege mode, sorry, user mode. Greater than means user mode. What is the meaning of user mode? Suppose you purchase a laptop and want to verify your laptop what data, what laptop hard disk, what Windows use up in your laptop. So very simple. Just go to the My PC, click in properties, and you easily identify what kinds of the my laptop, what is the operating system, what is the RAM. Okay. And another option in the computer, go to the CMD command and some command fire, and automatically basic information regarding your PC or the laptop easily find out. And the same manner in user mode, I just put some information, yeah, some command. So I know about this router. Like this, I put here command question mark. So just information here given. The router is 2811, company name is Cisco, and memory in like this, what memory. And there is the port number 00100 have no IP like this. Okay. Now second is the privilege mode. This another option is the privilege mode. Privilege mode, suppose we purchase new laptop. When purchase new laptop, a lot of software is not available in your laptop. As per your requirement, you purchase software and install in your computer. After suppose after 6 months, you want to check what we new software install. So how to check it? Very simple. You have again two options. One option is go to the control panel and add remove program, and easily find out what you added additional software after purchasing your laptop. And the same manner, go to the command prompt and find some command is for enter, and easily find out the what is the additional configuration after purchasing your laptop. Okay. And third is the configuration config. So all just go directly. If I want to make IP address allotment of this port, so definitely how to go. First is greater than symbol. Okay, suppose here I question mark, so here a lot of command is available. As per requirement, you can put, you can find out. Okay, so just like enable here, I enable for go for the privilege mode. Okay, so just I write ENABLE. You can write full word, either very only two code EN. It is sufficient. Just please. Now this is a privilege mode. Now for what? Configuration mode, CONF. Use the tab button. One more thing. This is the iOS operating system. It is a very popular and most powerful operating system among all other other operating system. I just put conf tab button configure. Put T terminal. So configure terminal. Either you write configure terminal complete document. Otherwise conf and space T, it is sufficient. I'm clicking down. So now router is the now configuration mode. So if you want any types of configuration, so how to move? Just first command is enable and second command is the configure terminal. In this session, we go for the allotment of IP of this port. Okay. So just here go for this port. INT interface. I just use tab command FA fast Ethernet 0/1 and press enter. So either you write complete command, otherwise only you just put INT space FA 0/1 and press. So now in this regard, in the laptop, basically this work all done from the laptop. So from the laptop, just move in the this router and follow the, now you are standing here, port number 01. For what? Allotment of IP. Now move your mouse. So here 01, link down, IP address is not set. So now IP allotment, IP add space 192.168.1.1 as per your planning. /24, again computer not identify what is the meaning of the /24. So you just put here subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Already you have ever out this IP address and just press enter. And there is accept this. Now again move your mouse. So you can find out here if fast Ethernet 0/1 link down, but IP address is now available. So link down, this is the red. So how to link power supply on? Just put command no shut and no shutdown. So just put here, you can see here. And every in computer do write. Do write means saving. In computer, if you are working any work, so without saving, it not save in computer. So definitely here, this is the router is also mini supercomputer. If you are going for any work, so definitely saving is required. So these all two command how to save, just do write. Okay. Now exit. And now here go for second here two port FA 0/1 and 0/0. So now again go for the FA 0/0 and IP allotment, same manner, IP at 192.168. Here 3.1. Here our planning is a 3.1. 255.255.255.0. subnet submitting, okay, .0. And again, no shut and do write. Okay. So now you will move your mouse. So you can see here, fast Ethernet 0/1 and 0/0. Both now link is up, any power supply is on, and IP allotment as per your requirement. Okay. So now saving this. So Nitin, can you do this?
Yes, sir. I can do it, sir.
So you can do it again tomorrow, join 9:30 because possible 9:30.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow is possible.
Okay.
Today I just came
Tomorrow
here
I give
now.
good time na, for you. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.